Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas. Today is December 1st and yeah, I do Vlogmas every year. My face is like I don't know, I think I have to go to like a dermatologist because no matter what I do, my face is just not getting better, and I think it's putting makeup on it. Oh, I'm not going anywhere. Not going nowhere. Virtual start back for my two public, my private ones. They're still out until Thursday, so I can't really do anything. I'm doing a dump and go for you guys for the end of the week. Yay! For the end of the week, I think I want to do the tiered trays for Christmas. Show you guys how I decorated those. And I also want to do a cleaning video all this week. So, and then I also want to do a house tour. But I have to first clean the house. And that ain't happening no time soon, so probably next week. But good morning, welcome to Vlogmas, and I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas. Because I really don't. It's a lot of work. Good morning. This girl is legit chilling. Are you sleeping? No? This is just her hangout spot in my room. It's dead?
No. He's dead!
What is that? What are you playing?
I playing.
What's the name? Okay. Okay. So I have worked on the kitchen, so it's all clean. The only thing that's there. Hi, Jaxson. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. So I worked on the kitchen. Cleaned it. That's gonna be in a cleaning video this week. Proud of myself. And also a crock pot dump and go. So I'm working on that right now. So I have my crock pot set up right here. I'm gonna do this chicken. I don't even have a name for it. I just make it up as I go, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Then finish my cleaning. I wanted to go to the store, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I really want to work on the tiered tray situation for you guys. There's so much I want to pump out this season, but it's just like I'm only one human being and I'm doing way too much right now. I'm recording all day today. And I have to go upstairs and throw Betty's in the wash because she had a nosebleed and it got all over her Betty's. So I try to get as much as the blood out of it because I couldn't just wake her up and be like, I gotta throw your sheets in the wash. So I have to go upstairs and throw that in the wash, but I have to start dinner because it's 11 o'clock, so let's do it. So this is just a little sneak peek of what's coming the end of the week. I think it's Friday. I'm going to post it, and I'm doing crock pot dumping goes, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy that, but that's just like a little sneak peek of what I'm doing. So yeah, I have to throw that on, go upstairs, clean Maddie's room. I'm going to throw that in the cleaning video and get Maddie dressed. I wanted to wash the girls' hair today, but I don't think it's going to happen because their hair takes forever and a day to prep for washing, especially Destiny, and her hair needs washing. But I'm gonna push for it. So dinner's on, and I need to steam my floors, but I need to go put Maddie's stuff in the washer.
I can't see it in your eyes, babe, but I know you have
what's going on, but I hit a snag. I was cleaning and I was getting motivation, and I just hit a snag, like a lazy streak. I don't know if it's because I stopped to edit, because when I'm doing a lot of recording, because I record on my phone, I have to do like my sped up scenes. I have to do that and then delete the other clip, or else I run out of space. Anyways, you guys don't need to know anything. I'm waiting on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I ordered it since our anniversary because that was my anniversary gift from my husband. It's still not here, and it's not supposed to be here until December 16th or something like that. And I'm disappointed because I needed it for Vlogmas. It was either that, get my camera, or get my camera battery, because if you guys don't know, give you guys great lighting. Right there. If you guys don't know, Maddie put my camera, like I actually have a vlogging camera, like a really nice vlogging camera. I think it's the Canon G7X or something like that. Maddie stuck the battery in water, and to this day it doesn't work, and I've had to deal with my phone. It work great. It's not the best quality. It's either get my battery, get my iMax. Jesus, I can't talk. My MacBook Pro Air. No, Jesus, that's not even it. My MacBook Pro. But I don't want to spend all that money when my phone works. I'm cheap. If you guys don't know, I'm very cheap. I've been on YouTube for this long, and I haven't invested in a MacBook. I just don't see the need for it when my phone does. Anyways, I'm rambling. Dinner's cooking. It's now 12:27. I wanted to go to the store to get something to eat, but then I was like, I already have food here, so why am I going to go out and spend money? You see what goes on in my head? You know, it's just, and I'm like, if I go out, I'm going to spend money. No, stay home. So let's get back to cleaning. I need to clean my bedroom before my husband get home. Is it just me?
Huh?
Or who's yelling? My stairs get piled up with stuff. Who? She wants hot dog?
Well, hot dogs.
There's no more hot dog?
No, there's not. Oh, you want to see? Come on.
There's no more hot dog, Maddie? I still haven't cleaned my floors.
There's no hot dog.
You want, where's her lunch packet? Because she gets free lunch through the county. Which one do you want? I think this is her bag, because it's not open.
Yeah.
Here. You want, this is somebody else's. But what do you want? What do you want?
Wait, was that on top?
Yeah.
Was this right? Was it
It was right here on the top.
Those right here. This is mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's mine.
Where's hers?
I'm not sure. I wish it was on top.
She should have a whole full bag.
That one looks like
Mine doesn't have pizza. Mine has pizza. No, mine doesn't have pizza.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Whose is that?
This is mine, the full bag.
And whose is that?
That's from last week.
Someone ate her, Jordan! Come here. Where's her sandwich?
I don't know. I didn't take it.
Which bag did you've been eating from? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so how you missing 2 sandwiches and it's only Tuesday?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Explain it to me.
See?
Are we stealing?
No, I didn't see
Okay, where's Maddie's stuff?
it. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Everybody else had theirs out of their bag. Jason said he didn't touch anything. Jason, you didn't touch anything out of your bag?
I don't think it's that.
You had that and pizza, right?
Yes.
You had that and pizza today?
Yes.
I thought it was one a day.
Oh.
It is one a day. Where is Maddie's?
I don't know.
Jaxson? I'm about to find out who's lying to me. Here. Where's Maddie's peanut butter? Where's her PB? Where's her PB? This one. Where's it? Where's this one?
I don't know.
Did you have this today?
Yes.
Okay, so where's Maddie's?
Mine's in there.
Where's Maddie's?
This one's the one,
That's Jordan's.
oh.
You can have fruit cup, whatever, milk. Found the mixing bag. It's right here. Yeah, this is Maddie's. Everything is in there. And I was over here accusing the child. This is yours.
Sweet.
There go the missing one. Which one you want? Pizza?
Normally
Easy
easy.
Jammers? Nobody eats those?
No.
No.
They're not good. I don't eat them.
This is turkey. Turkey and, because you have to defrost it and then,
Oh yeah.
okay, whatever.
I ate one
You want pizza?
thing at the school.
Yeah? Give her a fruit cup. You want string cheese? And juice or milk? Juice or milk? Milk? Because you haven't been drinking your milk. Alright, I'll heat up your pizza. Thank you. What somebody come for me about what just transpired just now. You can never show real on here because the moment you do, people always come for you. So I'm prepared this Vlogmas for people to come for me. Like my sink full with dirty dishes. The twins go and do it. That's their chore. I don't spoil kids around here. They're here for a reason. They're gonna live in the house. They're gonna help pull their weight. I do the bulk of the cleaning and they only have one chore each. I think that's fair. Fair is fair.
He has no idea what's going on. Oh no! Oh no, no! Don't lose him coming! I won't let
Whoa.
you go this way! Oh no!
Yummy.
No, I died! Wait, where is he? Oh, there he is. Let's go.
Okay, I'm not coming.
Alright, you get him from back there.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
Enjoy.
You wanna look?
One day until Christmas? Days till Christmas?
I understand it.
24. 24 days till Christmas. Oh,
I
look at
can't
that.
find it.
Scrumptious.
Comsters.
I placed it on low. You guys can see that. Come on, crock pot is old and beat up. Okay, guys. So, sink is cleared. Thank you, Jaxson and Jordan. Dinner's done. I showed you guys that. I just have to put some rice on. Vlogmas Day 1 is official. It's done. It's over. Rob is not going to come home no time soon because, yeah, it's busy season for him. So he's not going to come home no time soon. By the time he gets home, it's going to be dark. I have to upload this video. Well, I have to export, upload, edit. I have to go finish some, you know, to get this video up by 8 o'clock tonight. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Come back here tomorrow, same time, same place. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, Rob came home early. We plated our dinner. We're getting ready to sit down to eat. This is a little Nad's plate. Hopefully she likes it. Hopefully she likes it. Yep, it's dinner time around here.